Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you exactly how to read a crochet pattern even if you've never tried before. Crochet patterns are just like recipes. Once you understand the ingredients and instructions, you can make anything. I'll walk you through each section, what abbreviations mean and how to follow the rules. Let's start. But first off, what's a crochet pattern? It's like a recipe for making something with yarn. It includes the materials you need, stitch abbreviations and instructions written in a specific format. It tells you the type of yarn, the hook size, the stitches to use, and how many rows or rounds to make. You follow it line by line, and if you do, you end up with the finished item, like a scarf, bag, or headband. Now, what's inside a crochet pattern? When you open a crochet pattern, here's what you usually see. 1. Materials. This part tells you what you need. For example, yarn. What type of yarn? A medium weight, size 4. Hook. What type of hook size? 5mm crochet hook. And then others. Scissors, stitch marker, and darning needle. 2. Gauge. Gauge means the exact measurement of the outcome of the material, of the item, this exact measurement you're going to get for that item that you really need to recreate. Now let's give an example. 10 stitches times 10 rows equals 4 inches. This just means if you crochet 10 stitches and 10 rows, it should measure 4 inches square. Why? Because crochet tension differs from person to person. But for most beginner projects like bags or accessories, you can skip worrying about this for now. Third one is crochet abbreviations. Here are common abbreviations and what they mean. Common abbreviations for beginners. CH means chain. SC means single crochet. DC means double crochet. ST means stitch. RAP means skip. SL space. Then ST means slip stitch. HDC means half double crochet. SK means skip. INC means increase. And DEC means decrease. 4. 5 symbols meaning in patterns for beginner. This sign means what is inside should be done together. Sometimes it shows total stitches. Then this other sign means group or set. Stitches should be worked in one space. This asterisk sign means repeat. So you're going to repeat the instructions within the asterisk. Then we have this dot sign, which means slip knot or space magic ring. And we have this circle or oval shape, which means chain. I'm going to give an example. Asterisk SC, which means single crochet, and CH, which means chain 1. Asterisk. Rep from asterisk to end. Rep means repeat. This means do a single crochet, then a chain, and repeat that until the row ends. The 5th one, pattern instructions. This is the main part. It tells you what to do line by line. For example, row 1, chain 10. Row 2, single crochet in second chain from hook. Single crochet in each chain across, in bracket 9 single crochet. Remember, whatever is in bracket means total stitches. I'm going to break it down. Row 1 chain 10 means make 10 chain stitches. Row 2, single crochet in second chain from hook. This means skip the first chain and make a single crochet into the second chain. Single crochet in each chain across. This tells you to make 1 single crochet in every chain across the row. And the last one, 9 single crochet in brackets. This is a checkpoint. It tells you there should be 9 stitches in that row. That helps you know if you made a mistake. If you count and don't get a 9, something's off. I'm going to give you my few tips for reading patterns. 1. Don't panic. You don't need to understand everything at once. 2. Read slowly, line by line. Say it loud if it helps. 3. Highlight the abbreviations or terms you do not understand. 4. Practice the stitches first before starting the full pattern. And lastly, watch a beginner-friendly video alongside the pattern. Now that you know how to read a pattern, try it out. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to crochet using a simple pattern. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye.